वंस अगेन आई वेलकम टू माय चैनल आर्यन क्लासरूम। सो कल जो मैंने अपलोड किया था एक क्वेश्चन जो कि कंक्रीट स्ट्रक्चर से रिलेटेड था। द नंबर ऑफ बार्स रिक्वायर्ड टू डिजाइन ए रेनफोर्स्ड कंक्रीट बीम ऑफ रेक्टेंगुलर क्रॉस सेक्शन to support a uniformly distributed service load of 25 kN per meter, inclusive of self weight, over an effectively simply supported span of 6 meter. The material used are M20 grade of concrete and HY steel of grade Fe415. Assume effective depth of beam is equal to 2 times the width of the beam and use effective cover as 50 mm and 20 mm bar. So a simply supported beam, service load 25 kilonewton per meter, inclusive self weight. So factored load is 1.5 into 25, that is equal to 1.5 into 25, so it will be 37.5 kilonewton per meter. So for a simply supported beam, maximum bending moment occurs at the center, that is WL square by 8. So bending moment mu is W into L square by 8. So 37.5 into 6 square divided by m. So mu is 37.5 into 36 divided by 8. So this value is 168.75 kilonewton meter. We have to compute the number of bars and the size. The condition is given according to the question. B is equal to, or effective depth of the beam is equal to 2 times the width. Effective depth is equal to effective depth is equal to 2 times the width. So we have to apply the we have to design the limiting section. So limiting section we can compute mu limiting is equal to 0.36 FCK B into XU limiting into D minus 0.42 XU limiting. Or we can write for Fe415 grade, for Fe415 grade, so we can write the mu limiting is equal to 0.138 FCK BD square. If you put the value of XU limiting, so if XU limiting is for Fe415 grade, XU limiting is 0.48 D. XU limiting is equal to 0.482 D. So if you put the value, so you will get the value of this 0.138 FCK BD square. Moment is given, that is 168.75 into 10 to the power 6 Newton meter. Newton mm. So it will be 0.138 into grade of concrete is 20. The value of B can be written as B is equal to D by 2. So D by 2 into D square. So if I compute the value of D, 168.75 into 2 into 10 to the power 6 divided by 0.138 into 20 to the power 1 by 3. So the value of effective depth is coming 496.35 mm. So it can be provided as 500 mm. So the area of steel can be computed as, area of steel AST can be computed as, so we can write 0.87 Fy AST D minus 0.42 XU limiting is equal to Mu limiting. So AST can be written as Mu limiting divided by 0.87 Fy D minus 0.42 XU limiting. So AST can be written as, Mu limiting can be written as 0.138 FCK B D square divided by 0.87 Fy D minus 0.42 XU limiting. So here area of steel AST can be computed as 0.138 into FCK is 20 into D can be written as D by 2. So 500 by 2 into 500 ka square divided by 0.87 Fy. So 0.87 into 415 into 500 minus 0.42 and XU limiting is 0.48 into 500. So area of steel can be computed as 0.138 into 20 into 500 to the power cube divided by 2 into 0.87 into 415 into 500 minus 0.42 into 0.48 into 500. So it is coming, area of steel is 1196.83 mm square, and the reinforcement is provided having the diameter is 20 mm. So number of bars is equal to AST provided divided by pi by 4 into phi square. So it is coming 1196. So 1196.83 divided by pi by 4 into 20 square. So it will be 1196.83 into 4 divided by 400 pi. So it is 3.81. So provide 4 bars. So provide 4 bars of 20 mm diameter. So here the number of bars required is 4 bars. B option is correct.